Can this rusty razor blade beat the tape? Find out next on the PEZ Book. That's right. What's really going on, PEZ collecting fans? Josh the PEZ guy here on the PEZ Book channel. Do me a favor. Oh wow, that's working pretty good. Leave me your questions, comments, concerns, any and everything down below. Haha, take that tape. I have found your match tape. And it is a rusty razor blade. Yes. Yeah. So much easier. All right. Ooh. This is freaking huge. Whoa. Tape. I have some. Wait a minute. Let's get this out of the way. Oh, watch out. Here we go. I have defeated the tape. All right, there's some PEZ Stands. Oh, these really large ones. Where's the other piece of tape? There. Tape is no match for Josh the PEZ guy anymore. All right, these were mail-away premiums. You buy our candy and send us the empty wrappers, then we will send you a nice felt stand. You can put your PEZ in it. Where's my PEZ? Wait a minute. That's odd. Ha ha ha. Yeah. I got the rare potato Deadpools and all that. I had to buy a lot of those boxes, but yeah, these were mail-in premiums. And you could display your no-feet PEZ dispensers in there. And you still can! Now, these are the flocked version. Now, the ones that PEZ sent out, you want to make sure that this E is the small e. See that? You don't want all three of these pieces of the E to line up together. Those were aftermarket ones. Bootleg, if you would. So there you go. Huh. I wanted to show you some PEZ in there, but there's Donald. And Geraldine. I don't know. We'll look here shortly. So until next time...